Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got, well, I got it like a few days ago, my Colourpop order. So they were doing I don't know if I'm gonna check if they still have it in stock. So they were doing the birthday box celebration for their, I don't even know how many years, but they were doing their birthday box. And supposedly in here it is 100 and I think $10 value for $49. But I did see it like on TikTok shop for like even less. Like I think the least was like $30. So like it goes up and down. So you can check there. Maybe they'll have it even for less. So this is what I got. I already did a short video here. Is it a short? Yeah, short video. But I didn't open anything and I didn't swatch anything, so I will be doing that today. So this is what comes in the box. It is 11 items and it's supposed to be like their best sellers. Honestly, I haven't shopped from them like in like a while, so I don't know what's new and what's not, if it's like really their best seller or not. I will be putting their price, if it's like full price, regular price, just to see if it's actually like worth it or not. I was gonna try it on here, but I already did my makeup for today, so I'm not gonna try it. But I am going to be doing like swatches for most of the stuff. So let's do it. Let's start. The first thing that I see right here, it is this pretty fresh lock it in setting spray. It's setting spray. It says it has peptides, niacinamide, 16-hour all day wear, and it says transfer proof and waterproof. So this is the setting spray. It looks really pretty. So this is how it looks. It's a clear bottle. Yeah, hopefully it didn't break. So I'm gonna try, actually let me spray this one right now. I didn't put any setting spray today. So right now it's really gloomy outside. Everything is looking a little bit like dark. So hopefully it's not too dark. So here's spray. Okay. So it is pretty light. Like I have it all over though. The thing with like setting sprays, I never know if like I'm actually applying it on my face. Like right now I'm wearing shorts. I have it all over my legs. I have it all over my arms. Um, let me let it dry a little bit. Light, like the spray is pretty light. It didn't have any scent, so this is how it's looking. It's looking pretty. I mean, I don't know. Right now it's okay. I don't know if it's gonna do something. But that was the first item, setting spray. They did put in a primer, but I should have put it before when I did my makeup, but I forgot about it. So this is from the same line, the Pretty Fresh Set It Up Primer. Same thing, it says it has peptides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And Essence Makeup Wear, and it's smoothing. And here's how it looks, pretty though, like a white packaging. So it doesn't wanna focus. I don't know what's going on, and everything is like it's not working. Like the camera's looking pretty. I don't know, it's not working. But that's the second thing that I got. I also got, I know this is new. This is the liquid blush, weightless liquid blush, and this one I have it on the they sent it on this shade Thanks. Well, I'm assuming it's Thanks. It says THX, so I'm assuming it's Thanks. So let me swatch it. It is like, I wouldn't normally go for this color, but look at the pink heart on the top. Okay, you just have a little bit of a scent. So that's the blush. Like I said, I normally wouldn't go for this shade because I feel like it's a little bit light. Well, like a little like mommy. It does have a little bit of a scent, but it's pretty. I think it's gonna work well. Like I said, I already have my makeup on, so I'm not gonna like put it on, but I'm gonna swatch it. Let me get a makeup wipe. That's the last one. Okay. Okay, so that's the third item. I also got this Fresh Kiss glossy lip balm. This one is on the shade caramel latte. So everything is on the Fresh Kiss line. I don't know if they have a line, but everything says fresh something. Pretty fresh, and then this one says Fresh Kiss. So let me swatch it. I think this one is also newer. It's a newer item. I can't get it out. Oh, okay. It has like a little thing right there. So this is just a glossy lip balm. It has this kind of top. Okay, it is pretty light. I mean, I don't think it's gonna have a color. So that's just, oh, it does smell like like caramel. Oh, caramel latte. Yeah, it does smell like caramel. Yeah, so this is the little, it doesn't have that much. I mean, on my skin tone, it's not gonna show up much. So that's it. I also got, let's see, what is this? 3 items. This one is a lippy pencil, and this is in the shade Love Bug. I don't love what their lip pencils, like the ones I got 2 of them, and the thing came off, like completely came off, but we'll see. So this is Love Bug. It is like a reddish, um, purpley color, more like towards red, but it is really smooth, but we'll see. This is the item. And then they also have, let me see the other pencil. So this is a Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner, but this is in a green. I really don't think a green is like a bestseller. Maybe like a brown or even black. It does have like, I don't know if you can see, but it has like sparkles in there. I don't know. There's something wrong with my phone. Oh, that is beautiful though. Look at that. Let me swatch it over here. That is beautiful. So maybe it is like a bestseller. It looks really pretty. And it has like this kind of like glitter on it. Beautiful. So that's it. It's pretty though. I'm surprised. And this is an shadow stick. This looks like it's from like a collection. Maybe like the Twilight collection. I don't know. It looks kind of like the Twilight collection. But this one is Give Me a Sign, and it's a matte, what is it called? Shadow stick. So we'll see the shade. Oh, that does not look matte. It looks a little glossy, but it's like a brown. Oh, it feels really, really good on the swatch. Yes, yeah, it feels like something is leaking on the side. I don't know, but that is, what was it called? Give Me a Sign. It's supposed to be a matte. Um, I mean, it looks like it's blendable, but it's definitely, well, I don't know. Maybe it is a matte. I don't know. But that's the 7th item. Then we have another like stick thing. This is called the Ultra Blotted Lip, and this one is in Canon DR. Canon Doctor. I don't know. So, and this is the blotted lip, ultra blotted lip. Honestly, I haven't wore a matte liquid lipstick in a long time, so I don't know. Yeah, and this shade specifically, I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. But this is the ultra blotted lip. But I mean, I have to try it, and it has really cute packaging. It has like the stars right there. And then we did get 2 of the Super Shock Shadow. So this one is in 405 Ultra Glitter. I don't like glittery stuff in my eyes because I feel like it's gonna get, like, I like shimmer but not glitter because I feel like it's gonna get like on my eye. But this is the first color. It's pretty though. Oh, it's so soft. But I feel like I always forget to wear my singles. So that's the color. It is a pretty color though for summer. So that's the first one. And then the other one, this one is called Drift. I don't know. It's not focusing, but it's called Drift. And this one is a satin. So that one was a glitter and this one is a satin. Oh, okay. It's kind of similar color. Well, maybe no. It's a little bit darker. Let me close it and let me swatch it. Yeah. I mean, this one is not showing too much glitter though, but that one's a pretty color. It could be like the outside and then the purpley one in the middle. And the last thing that I got here, let me clean my hands actually. Okay, so the green one is kind of staying in there. It doesn't want to come off. Everything else came off pretty good. Okay, so the last thing that I got is a palette. Honestly, I kind of wanted a different palette. This is not, like, I don't know. It might be a little too light for my skin tone. So I was hoping for more like going coconuts or something like a little bit more versatile. So this one is the Baby Got Peach, and I don't love this plastic packaging. I like the ones that they have like a little like hard covered, or even like this one that I have right here. I like this one's like that. I don't love this plastic covering, but this is the one we got. This is the Baby Got Peach, and it's just like a peachy palette. I mean, it has good shades. It's like a good palette, but I don't love this one right here because it looks like it's a glitter palette. And then I don't know if this is like a newer palette also, so I don't know if they just had it there, but this is the palette. Let me swatch it a little bit. I'm not good at swatches, but that is right there. It's light. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's gonna work out with my skin tone, honestly. So I swatched the bottom row, and that's how it looks right there. Let me swatch the middle one. Let me swatch it. Okay, so it's a little bit more pigmented, but I don't know if I go for these colors. I mean, I know I don't go much for these colors right here. I don't even want to swatch. Well, I'm gonna swatch it. I was gonna say I don't want to swatch it. Yeah, it feels really, really glittery, and yeah, I don't love these shades. Yeah, no, that one is not good. It's gonna be a no for me. It's pretty and everything, but I'm just not gonna wear it because it's, yeah, you feel it grainy, and it's gonna be like it's gonna go into my eyes. I feel like it's gonna go into my eyes. So that is all that I got. I'm pretty happy about everything except the palette. And I feel like the eyeshadow part. I don't love like the palette. I don't go like to shadow sticks, and then the singles. I feel like I always forget to wear my singles. Everything else, like face wise, I wish I would have gotten a little bit more, like another palette at least. But yeah, so that's what I got in my birthday Colourpop mystery box. Is it a mystery box? I think it's a mystery box. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.